Ever wondered how to increase your team's engagement and productivity? Have you considered using OKRs? OKRs, or Objectives and Key Results, are a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way your team operates. But what are they? Simply put, OKRs are a goal-setting system that helps teams and individuals define clear objectives and measurable key results. Imagine your team as a ship. The objectives are your destination, the place you want to reach. They are ambitious, inspiring, and should align with your organization's mission. On the other hand, key results are like the compass, guiding your team towards that destination. They are specific, measurable, and time-bound. By using OKRs, your team gets a clear picture of where they're going and how they're going to get there. This clarity can significantly increase engagement and productivity. OKRs can be a game changer for your team, but how do you implement them effectively? Tune in for the next scene to find out. Implementing OKRs in your team doesn't need to be a daunting task. It's a systematic process. Let's break it down, step by step. Firstly, begin with defining clear and inspiring objectives. Think about where you want your team to be in the near future. What's your vision? What's your mission? These objectives need to inspire and motivate your team to push forward. Remember, they should be challenging, but also achievable. After you've established your objectives, it's time to determine measurable key results. These key results are tangible milestones that will help your team gauge their progress towards the objectives. Be specific and make sure they're quantifiable. For example, instead of saying, increase customer satisfaction, you might say, increase customer satisfaction ratings by 20%. Next, set a deadline. Your key results should have a clear timeline. This gives your team a sense of urgency and helps them prioritize their tasks. Transparency is key in the OKR process. Make sure everyone in your team knows what the objectives are, what the key results are, and when they're expected to be achieved. This not only keeps everyone accountable, but also fosters a sense of unity and shared purpose. Lastly, don't forget to have regular check-ins to monitor progress. This allows you to acknowledge achievements, address challenges, and realign if needed. With these steps, you're well on your way to successfully implementing OKRs. But how does this specifically boost team engagement? OKRs are not just about setting objectives and achieving results. They're also about engaging your team. By providing clarity, OKRs empower each team member with a clear sense of their role and its impact. They foster collaboration as everyone works towards unified objectives. And when these objectives are met, the sense of achievement is shared, boosting morale and motivation. So elevate your team's engagement and productivity with OKRs. Start implementing them today and see the difference.